Hi mga ka-UVJ, ako ulit. So, pasensya na kung medyo late. Okay, absent ng konti, medyo busy lang. Pero at least present na ako ngayon. Okay, so let's see. Tingnan natin kung anong energy ng ating collective ngayon. Siya nga po pala gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga new subscriber natin, sa mga returning subscriber. Thank you po sa suporta. Sa mga nag-comment po at saka nag-like, thank you so much po. Okay, laking tulong. So, let's see. Siya nga po pala, sa mga interesado sa Virgo accessories, Virgo clothing, cap, t-shirt, ililink ko po sa comment section. Ipipin ko po ang link sa comment section. So, feel free po to check it out. Okay, so laking tulong. Thank you so much po. So, tingnan natin mga ka-UVG. Tingnan natin kung ano ang energy update. Okay. Two of Swords. Oh, Seven of Swords at saka Two of Swords. Sneaky energy, decision making. Titingnan natin kung anong kasunod niyan. Depende sa nakapaikot. Okay, so tingnan natin. Seven of Swords at Two of Swords. Virgo, you're all up in your head or maybe someone na connected sa'yo. Six of Swords, King na puro swords. Sorry lang. 7 to the 6, 6 to the 7 to the 2 of Swords. Meron kailangan mag-decision dito. Peace of mind or chaos. Peace of mind or cheating. Peace of mind or lying. Peace of mind or stealing. Okay. Queen of Cups. Poker face. Three of Pentacles in the reverse. Four of Swords upright. Three of Pentacles upright. Six of Pentacles upright. Eight of Cups. At saka Nine of Pentacles. So, Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, King of Cups, meron tayong couple card. Pero, ang Queen of Cups is kasunod ng Six of Swords. Ang theme dito, stealing, lying, cheating. Doing something behind the scene. Doing something unholy. Okay. But nandun yung decision making nasa crossroad. Kung gagawin ba or hindi. Kasi bakit nag-hold back maggumawa ng katarantaduhan to? Sino ang nag-hold back dito na gumawa ng katarantaduhan? Because of what? Because of this person's kindness. Okay. So, kailangang magpakita ng poker face. Hindi ko alam. Merong someone dito na you deserve the peace of mind. You deserve something hindi mo deserve ang stabbing in the back or something because the more na gusto mag-attempt ng person na to, the more na na-realize niya na you are genuine and you are kind person. You have a big heart. dito, but at the same time, this person is feeling neglected or being ignored, feeling ignored by you. Okay. Clarify, nag-walk away ka siguro dito eh. Merong nag-walk away sa sitwasyon. Maybe I think this Queen of Cups, kung sino man tong Queen of Cups, nakikita mo right through the BS. Clarify the Queen of Cups. Nafe-feel mo ang vibration or intention ng person na to. Hindi ko alam kung sino sa'yo yan. Siblings, co-workers, lovers. Clarify the Queen of Cups. Yeah. Ten of Swords. You are seeing right through the BS dito. Nakikita mo kahit gaano ka kinu-confuse. Hindi naman to Seven of Cups para masabi kong confused. Pero stabbing in the back. Seven of Swords. Ten of Swords. You know better based on experience. So kahit anong paikot-ikutin or kung anong kita mo, bukas ang mata mo dito. Hindi ka pwedeng malinlang or linlangin based on your experience. You've been there, you've done that. Alam mo kung sino yung mga taong genuine. Or basa mo agad. Okay. Alam mo tong person na to, acting up. Nag-acting lang to or hindi man acting. Papansin kasi this person is feeling left out. Feeling neglected. Three of Pentacles is teammate, collaboration, you know what I mean? Pero it's in the reverse. Five of Pentacles is in the upright. So, merong feeling left out by you, feeling neglected by you, Virgo. And then this person or maybe you nag-walk away ka siguro dito eh. But the generosity is here, Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles is balance, generosity, peace of mind. Okay. Two of Swords. Ang Two of Swords. Ay, hindi pa. Two of Swords nga ba? Oh, Two of Swords. Doing good or doing bad or in between ang person na to. Pero itong person na to, they see you na connected ka sa divine. So mahirap kang kalabanin. Kasi ang weapon mo dito is coming out from the divine. Hindi ko naman sinabi na wala siyang divine connection kasi each and every one of us merong divine connection that is definitely nasa DNA ng person. Okay. Pero sa kanya yata parang di ko alam kung close ang DNA niya sa pagdating sa divine connection. Okay, pero ikaw on the another side, you are operating from the heart. Genuine ang intention, pure ang intention mo, what you see is what you get. Okay, pero this person is feeling ignored, feeling neglected. Ang Virgo kasi hindi sila mag-walk away. Kung nakikita nilang deserve mo pa yung energy nila kahit papano. Okay, kaya pa nilang extend ang sarili nila. Pero kung nakikita ng Virgo na there is nothing there, or hindi na kailangang pahabain pa, talagang magdi-disconnect mentally, emotionally, physically. Okay. May mapapraning talaga dito. Okay. And at the moment na mag-walk away ka, Virgo, sa mga humahatak sa'yo pababa, mga sneaky person to eh, energetically. I think yun ang naramdaman mo. Kaya ka nag-detach dito with the Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles is no longer, Eight of Cups, I'm sorry. Eight of Cups is no longer serving your highest good. Meaning to say, tapos na yung timeline mo sa mga ganitong energy. Low vibrational to, operating in something that they can only benefit. Parang yung intention nila is hindi pure. Parang lagi sila ng take and take and take and take. Okay. Giving, but at the same time, kailangan mayroong kapalit. After 2 days, after 24 hours, dapat may kapalit agad. So, it's not genuine. Okay. So, ikaw on the another hand dito, the moment na mag-disconnect ka, alam mo kung ano kaya mong ibigay or ano, basta ikinontemplate mo 'to, nagdesisyon ka dito na you are going to choose peace of mind over drama, you walk away, boom, nandun pumasok ang Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles is love, stability, the things that you desire, goal mo, dreams. Okay. The moment na mag-disconnect ka sa mga person na to, na dapat alam mo sa sarili mo na dapat matagal mo nang ginawa. Okay. So, let's see. Hindi ka nila matitrick dito with the 10 of. Hindi ka nila pwedeng i-trick dyan. You know what I mean? Virgo. You're operating in a higher vibration pa rin with the Queen of Cups. Three of Swords. Okay. So, meron lang nagpo-project dito ng heartbroken. Okay. King of Swords. Oh, sorry. Star card. Upright. And the King of Swords. Meron tayong dalawang king dito. Wala tayong gender sa energy, okay? So, meron tayong two kings. Okay, so the Three of Swords, Star card, merong gustong makipag-make amends or humingi ng pasensya or gustong magkaroon ng peace of mind sa sitwasyon or closure sa sitwasyon, Virgo. Okay. So, I think this person realized na nasasaktan din siya sa mga action niya before or sa mga stealing, lying, cheating, or kung ano pa mang doing something unholy. Okay. Na-realize niya at the end of the day na the more na nagbo-boomerang nagbabounce, parang may spring. The moment na may intention siyang gawing masama sa'yo, ikaw nasa receiving mode ka, I mean, nasa flow state ka, sabay sa agos ka lang. Kaya ang bilis bumalik ng karma. Parang back to you. You know what I mean? So, merong gustong with the star card in the middle, merong gustong makipag-ayos dito. Kasi meron ditong realization, sudden realization na the moment na ginagawan ka ng ginugulo ang pagka-peace of mind mo, nagbo-boomerang yung sitwasyon. Okay. And ang pinakamasaklap dito is nasasaktan to kasi merong nakaabang dito na much better. Hindi ko sinabing partnership, maaaring friends to, career, siblings, coworker. Okay. For example, sa siblings, inaway ka ng panganay. Alam ng panganay na pupunta ka sa kapatid. Na alam nun na magbibigay yun ng magandang advice, ina-nurture ka niya, gagawin ka niyang strong, I mean, magbibigay siya ng mga advice na it's okay, ano ka lang, basta pinakita mo na ganito, ganito. Okay, kung sa siblings. Pag sa lover naman, baka alam ng lover na to na once na ginawang kanya ng merong nakaabang na suitors. Okay, pag sa coworker naman, meron siyang ginawang mali. Alam niyang meron ka ditong dalawang nakaabang na malalapitan mo. Okay. Na with the healing card at the middle, Virgo. So, nasasaktan siya doon. Samantalang siya man ang may gawa. Okay, hindi niya naisip yun. Naisip niya at the end of the day na so gusto niya makipagbate dito. But I don't know kung tatanggapin mo kasi I think you totally fully walk away. So this person is feeling left out, feeling ignored. Wala na siyang connect sa'yo. Dinisconnect mo na mentally, emotionally, physically. And then you are happy with the Nine of Pentacles. Focus on your goals, dreams. Mas marami kang iniisip dito. Okay. Kasi makipag-deal sa mga person na alam mong sisirain lang ang peace of mind mo. Okay, so that's very, with the Ace of Cups, okay, love is there. Meron kang new love, Virgo incoming. Okay, or maybe self-love. So, let's see. What else? Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay. So, meron kang the Magician card at saka the Empress. Okay. Woo! Manifestation is here. Hindi ko alam kung anong minanifest mo, Virgo. Page of Wands. Meron kang good news. Okay. Meron kang good news. Pay attention, message, call. Meron kang information dito regarding sa minanifest mo. And you are going to be feeling so good with the Empress card. Okay. Pero lahat makaka-benefits. Kung ano man ang blessing na matatanggap mo, kung ano man ang minanifest mo, Virgo, andito na siya. Nafe-feel mo na, or maybe nakamit mo na nga eh. Baka late lang ako. Maring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap. Okay. Andito na siya, okay. I-make sure mo na lahat makaka-benefit. Okay. I-make sure mo na, kasi ang Empress card is selfless. Okay. Multiplier lang siya, creative, productivity. Ikaw ang gumawa, ikaw ang nag-invento. Ikaw ang nagsimula, ikaw ang nagpalago, ikaw ang nagpa-expand, and then you will make sure na everybody deserves your effort, your creativity and productivity, sharing to the world. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Very good. Eh, meron kang 2 of Wands still standing. So, kung ano man yung mga plano, Virgo, kung ano man yung mga prosesong pinagdadaanan mo, ang pinakamagandang part is ini-embrace mo. Parang it's all about the journey, hindi about the destination. Ganon ang perspective ng Empress. So this is a very good thing, Virgo. Very high vibrational energy. The moment na i-detach mo yung energy mo sa mga naghahatak, mga lintayan eh. Mga energy vampire. Okay. So, doon mo mafe-feel the moment na mag-disconnect ka sa mga nonsense na yan. Hindi ko naman sinabing totally nonsense kasi isa rin sila sa mga nag-build up ng character mo. Okay, isa rin sila sa mga pinatibay ka. Okay. Kumbaga, kung wala si Judas, hindi tayo mariredeem. Okay, I mean, kung wala si Judas na binitray si Jesus, hindi si Jesus mako-crucify at hindi tayo. Everything is in divine orchestration or naka-orchestra. Everything is orchestrated by the divine. Everything happens for a reason. Walang coincidence. Okay. Everything is connected. So, yun lang masasabi ko dito, Virgo. Isa rin sila sa mga nagpalakas ng karakter mo. Isa rin sila sa mga nagpatibay ng paninindigan mo at isa sila sa mga nag-push sa'yo na mag-move forward. Okay. So, yun lang masasabi ko. So, let's see. 2 cards. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, 7 of Pentacles in the reverse at saka Ace of Swords. So, meron ditong katotohanan or closure with the Moon card. Katotohanan na talagang there is no such thing na maghihintay or validation. Maghihintay ng validation, aha moment, moving forward in any way, shape, or form. Wala kang hihintayin. Wala kang, kung ano yung magiging desisyon mo yun. Walang pipigil sa'yo. Hindi mo kailangan magtanong, uy, okay lang ba sa'yo na gawin ko to? Kasi, alam mo naman na pangarap ko to. Walang ganon. You will do you yourself. Ikaw na, walang limitasyon. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice. Tingnan natin kung anong advice sa ating mga ka-UVG collective dyan. Your hard work is paying off, as sabi ko kanina. Ha? With the manifestation card, the Empress card, tsaka good news card. Lahat. Nine of Pentacles, your desire and your goal. Merong aha moment dito na yung generosity nandito din. So, kung ano man ang hard work na pinuput out ng Virgo, it's time for you to receive the reward. Okay, tenfolds. So, luck is on your side. At saka balance spirituality and practicality. So, kailangan mong balansein, which is alam ko namang binabalanse mo kasi meron kang magician at meron kang empress. Okay. So, with the bottom of the deck, energetically, the moon card, marami kang with the ace of swords, ang dami mong madidiscover dito when it comes to a specific person or specific situation. Okay. Or sa sarili mo. Okay. Marami ka ditong mapapatunayan na hindi kailangan ng validation ng ibang tao para gumawa ka or mag-create ka ng sarili mong empire dito. Bottom of the deck. So, be bold and make the first move. As I said, you have the confidence, Virgo. So, ready ka na. Ready. Tingnan natin kung anong angel message number. Angel message number for my Virgo, please. Meron kang 5, Queen, King, Lolo, Lola, Ancestor, 5, 1, 512. 512 Virgo, Google mo siya, maaaring maka-resonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, this is what I have for you. Ipipin ko po yung link sa baba ng comment section sa mga gusto po ng Virgo accessories or Virgo cap clothing. Laking tulong po. So, thank you so much. This is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one, Virgo, and bye for now.